I came from London specifically for the Courageous Conversations conference. What I'm taking away from my time in DC at this conference is hope and possibility that I can actually confront the deep-seated questions that I have and still come out victorious.
It was helpful for me to reimagine the difference between church hurt and spiritual abuse. There is a difference. Just to be able to be reflective about the nuance of church hurt versus spiritual abuse helps me as a pastor say, hey, when is a church hurt and when is somebody at this church being abusive to another person?
And I just really love the idea of being able to hear from different experts in their different disciplines and church experiences, expound on these topics and bring wisdom to the table so that we can grow our faith and strengthen our apologetic.
My biggest takeaway from the Courageous Conversations conference is that whatever our questions are and whatever our struggles are, it's so important that we have those conversations in community, that the local church is so powerful and so important to our journey. Even when things are breaking down, doing so in an environment that helps to build that back up is so vital.
One of the things I love about Courageous Conversations is the combination of pastors, scholars, and practitioners in one place. And it forces, especially someone like me whose world is biblical studies, to bring it home to real live people who are trying to pastor and lead churches. That's something that I really love about Jude 3. It brings everybody together into one place.
I flash back during the panel discussion to a statement made by Rabbi Abraham Joshua Heschel, who says that we worship God through our questions. That's my main takeaway from this courageous conversation, is that I can continue to worship my great God even through my questions.
A problem well defined is a problem half solved. And so I love just the nature of the convo because it seeks to define the problems that our world is actually wrestling with and then putting us on the starting line to solve them.
Experiences like this bring individuals together when our society would rather have us divided and apart. So you don't want to miss this moment because this is an opportunity to build bridges when other people want to build walls.